So in this video, I want to give you a breakdown of how to use MyTradingBuddy to analyze Bitcoin. So what you'll do first when you come into the app is you're going to create a new chat. And the chat will have your trading plan tagged and also the trading instrument. And then you'll just create a chat. It will open up like this. And what you'll have is a whole dashboard like this, which is interface to talk to AI. And you'll be able to use this image analysis tool. So what I first do is I have open a chart view of what I'm analyzing. So in this case, Bitcoin. I have multiple charts, timeframes open to help with the AI thinking, and different indicators as well, like Fibonacci, VWAP. So you'll simply just come in to the dropdown of analysis tools and click on whichever AI image analysis that you'd want to run. I'll use chart analysis. This is the default one. This has all these points right here: market structure, liquidity pools, order blocks, support and resistance zones. And it's pretty much the default AI image analysis tool. So I always recommend to use this as the go-to. And then the other ones will help you find different perspectives and help with different analysis as well. So you'll click on it. Pretty straightforward. You can either upload an image of the chart that you're analyzing, or you can choose take a screenshot, and you'll just choose the other tab that you have open. I found this to be the easiest way. And you'll just push share. And what this did was just capture a screenshot of that whole tab. And then you'll push analyze. So now what's happening is the image will be sent to the AI to begin its analysis, and it will think through the highest probability trade idea at the current time with this whole chart in mind. So while we wait, I'll go over the layout. Up top here, you just have the chat name. This can help with organizing if you like. All of them will just default to the date and the time of creation. This will be your trading style, which is tagged with your trading plan. So I'm doing day trading. I'll enter in positions, maybe a 5-minute trade, I'll enter and exit, or potentially up being 4 hours or something like that. Depends on how the session is going. Bitcoin, and then this is the account capital. And then I'm also tracking US related events. So what you could do is show this market drop down right here, this toggle, and it will show US related events based off forex factory. So if there's high impact news, I'm tracking that. It will show on the timeline. It will show right here as well, and you can click and open and read more about that. So we got back a short, pretty much up 300 points to 500 points from now. And then potentially there could be a short back down to this level. So every one will come back with a direction, entry zone, take profit 1, take profit 2, stop loss, confidence as well. You'll see the timing of when the AI suggests this. And if you scroll down, the AI will explain its whole reasoning of why this idea will have a high probability of working. Market structure, liquidity analysis, confluence zone, support resistance, order flow, it calculates Fibonacci. It will calculate VWAP if you have that turned on, upper, lower bands, and how far it is between them, volume, market phase, risk assessment. So if it does reclaim this 67,600, be aware. So that's basically up here. So if it does, when this New York session opens up in 30 minutes to reclaim this session right there, then this idea maybe won't work. So every single time you run this, you'll get back a full breakdown like this. Now, while the market is moving, I recommend to do the auto capture. So if you want to take a screenshot every 5 minutes, you can click right here. Every 15 minutes. So for example, if you want to do maybe every 15 minutes, the new candle opens, you can push that in. But right now I'm gonna do no delay, and then I'm gonna push auto capture. I'm gonna share my screen. And so what's going on is you're sharing this screen, and the system will capture an image of that tab every, once this idea is done finished, it will go to the next capture and then next capture, and there'll be 3. So you can add a delay if you want. I usually use this when the market opens up, like New York session opens up, because it will move rapidly and you'll need to adjust on the fly. So it will all operate the same. You'll have to wait about 45 seconds to 1 minute for the AI to come back. Here it just came back. See, now it saw something different. Now a higher entry point, a little higher than that, still around that 6,700. So there could be up, it can go up about 400 points. There was one around here. So it really helps if you combine this with what you see. So for example, we have the 1 hour, and the VWAP upper band is right here. And so it could potentially, New York session, come up here and test this real quick. And if we see a really strong bearish signal, then that could be this idea that the AI is referring to right here. So back down to the low today, or even break the low and go down lower. So it did capture the first one, and then you can see it's analyzing the second one, and then it will automatically capture the third one. And all this is right here in this tag. So one more feature you can use is the AI history. See, look, it automatically captured right there, and it'll send. The AI history combines all these ideas into one idea. So right now we have a short, basically up 200 points from now. Looks like it's a pretty good retracement right now. It could come up here to this 800, maybe a little above it, do a liquidity grab up here, and then come back down. We have a stop loss way up there, 67.5, way up here, 67,500. And then confidence as well. You can read all this, support, resistance, the reasoning. You can see every time you run this, a history. So all this time is updated, liquidity map, buy side, sell side, support and resistance, etc. So every time you run this, it will update the AI overall idea. And these are just quick tags right here. So I can see the buy side liquidity is at 68,581, sell side down here, order block of bearish right here, support, resistance, etc. So this will really help you understand what's going on. I recommend to run at least 3 images or do at least 1 auto capture, so you really understand, what exactly to look for. We're pretty much right now looking for a 67,000 retracement up, so maybe up here, and then basically a short back down. New York opens up in about 30 minutes from now, so it could shoot up about 500, 800 points, and then from there we have to see. There was a big drop, so there could be this as an option. So sometimes you will see both short and long. The confidence will help you out. So this is 63%, for example, whereas this is 85% short. And so this will all make sense to you if you're a trader, because there could be a mean reversion. when the market drops drastically like this in such a short time, there could be some kind of evening out, so it could come back up here. So now that I explained the whole flow of the app, it's really up to you as a trader how you want to use this. I use this like constantly, at least 40 minutes before market opens up. And then when the market is going, I will run the auto capture and constantly capture screenshots. So it all works the same. Just take a screenshot of the tab. I highly recommend to use your laptop. Phone you can use on your phone, but you'll just have a small chart image. If you want to get the most out of the AI, it will need a large image. Potentially, if you want to do multiple time frames like me, I found that to be very helpful. So I'll run one more, a smart money concepts one. Take screenshot, share my screen, analyze that. And every time I run it, now it just gives me time to kind of read the charts myself and see that there was some rejection right there, and kind of read through all this right here. So I know exactly, what is going on. So a lot of distribution around here. Key swings, liquidity, 65,800, 64. So we could break 65 today, which would be roughly down. It could come down here today. Or if not today, over the weekend. When New York opens up, we'll see what happens. Could shoot up to maybe this level, and then stall out, and then come back down. So I'll put a notification right there. So the smart money one just came back. Now, if you're familiar with trading, this will make sense to you. It's looking where smart money will want to fill a lot of orders before the market goes down. It's going to look for order blocks. 67,350, 67,650. So it is a little different than this one. This one is just looking at, basic chart structure, liquidity pools, and everything like that. This one will be helpful sometimes when you want to know, what smart money might be thinking. Basically, what I just said, shoot up 67,350 up here, maybe VWAP as well, but that's pretty high. And then continue the bear movement. Down here, 65,450. One last thing you can do is talk with AI. So, based. So any questions that you have, you can ask the AI within the chat. And if you remember the beginning of the video, every single chat has your trading plan. So you have all the confluence factors you look for, how much account capital you have, your whole checklist before you go into a trade, etc. So there could be a fake pump up to here, and then pretty much be ready to go back down to 65,500. And you can ask certain questions like, if this level breaks, where would it want to go today? And the AI has all this chart data now within its brain, so to say. and you can ask any question that you want, which really comes in handy, as the markets are moving and everything. So we have primary target here. This could be a daily floor, 64,000. Etc. So one more thing is you do have trade mode. Now that we have the whole game plan up, hopefully it does retrace. It could just shoot straight down. But the game plan was to shoot up here in 20 minutes for New York, and then crash back down all the way to basically here, 65,500. So when you're ready to go into a trade, there is this trade mode. This details right here is all depending on how you set up your trading plan. So I checked to make sure I've reviewed all this and my psychology checklist as well, and my trade management, just so I can remember everything. And then you go into a trade, and then you'll just see a nice little design change that will let you know that you've made up your mind and you're going to a trade. And from there you can execute your trade. The layout is pretty easy to understand. You just have chat history, economic calendar, searching, trading plans, trading journals, notes, light and dark mode. If you need help, click on the support right here. The chat will open up, and all information like that. So if you like this, you can sign up at MyTradingBuddy AI to start using AI for day trading.